Welcome to 2026, where the world of tech has officially gone off the rails. Your smart fridge, now sporting a GPU, probably displays ads, while your boss is an AI and your significant other might just be a robot. It's a future that feels both over-engineered and perpetually in beta, a wild ride where innovation is unstoppable, but ethics are lagging far behind. We're seeing AI agents everywhere, and if you'd listened last year, you'd be a billionaire by now. Or so they say. But don't worry, there are still plenty of opportunities in this unhinged landscape, as long as the stock market doesn't crash. We're talking about everything from AI-generated slop to nuclear-powered quantum sex robots, and even new JavaScript framework features that promise to make the world a better place. The job market is shifting dramatically. While AI coding tools aren't quite replacing human engineers yet, they're creating a new demand for code janitors to clean up the AI's messes. The AI bubble continues to inflate, with valuations that make zero sense, but many believe we're still years away from its peak. LLMs, however, seem to have plateaued, with GPT-5 being a major disappointment, showing that true intelligence is still elusive. Yet, the current AI tech is undeniably amazing, and companies are working tirelessly to replace stupid, smelly, squishy humans in various roles, from spreadsheets to graphic design. The rise of humanoid robots is another huge trend, with companies like 1X, Figure, and Tesla pushing out models designed for everything from laundry to factory labor. Wearable AI is also making waves, despite past flops, with OpenAI reportedly collaborating on something truly good this time. And let's not forget quantum computing, which is finally moving towards practical applications, with Google's Quantum Echoes algorithm surpassing supercomputers. This unhinged world also brings us highly unpopular digital IDs and central bank digital currencies, pushing us closer to a Black Mirror episode. It's a world where technology evolves faster than our understanding, creating a sense of disorientation and a reliance on systems that fill gaps without us questioning the cause. It's a subtle, existential shift where reality bends towards what is measured, and our behavior is shaped by systems rather than conscious choice.